Okay, so you guys, we're back from recess. You've done your second reading. If you have not finished writing the first answer, you can go ahead and finish writing that, and then you're going to do the last two independently. Remember to use your strategies that you've worked on for this. You have underlined your important information, right? We can go back, you've read it twice, but you could read it again if you needed to.
Do I need to take this apart?
If you want to. If you need it for help spelling, I think we're using the word students, right? Okay. All right, I'm gonna go over here and see how these guys are doing. Very good. Okay, so you've already been practicing out loud, so that's good. I'll be doing the, I'll call you guys up to read in a little bit, okay? I'll ask for volunteers. How's it going, guys?
I'm just helping them something now.
Very good. How's it going over here, boys?
Wow.
Okay, we should probably sit in two different chairs. Okay, you don't have to read with him if it's not you. But we sit in, each sit in a different chair. Okay, now, here's a trick with this kind of chair. Because it's got wheels on it, don't just back into it. Hold on to it and then sit down.
Sheets and sheets. Can I use your eraser? I'm gonna use your eraser. No, you can't use the pieces. Let me use your eraser.
Rather do that. But if we are messing with somebody, are they going to
You have one on the back of yours. No, I don't. It's gonna.
Okay, guys, why are we talking during your independent working time?
I asked her if I could use her eraser. There's no eraser on the table.
Okay, there was one earlier. I don't know where it went.
Yeah, somewhere right there. Mine is
We count every morning, remember? Okay, let's get back on track.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. You've got to decide what's the important information that's going to answer the question, what is one step that Mrs. Hines takes to solve the problem? Remember, we went over it. We went over it. First, she had an idea. It wasn't quite what the kids needed. They needed a little more support. So she came up with a 3-step solution. You're going to write about one of those steps. If you need extra paper, you can always get it over there. So let me know if you ever need extra paper, you can staple it on the back.
Away. This is good writing. Wait, what do I do? This one?
Okay, reread the question if you're confused, honey. And I believe you have underlined some steps in there. So go back and reread what you underlined. Okay, I want you to keep reading until it's time to stop. Who's the teacher? Okay, whoop, whoop. We walk, that's why we always walk in class. Okay, who's in charge here? Yeah, so I'm the one that tells you when it's time to finish. Okay, good job. All right. Is there any part of the story you're having trouble with?
So I'm having trouble with,
And if, remember last week when I said, is there any words you're having trouble with? You could make a list of them. Here, I'm gonna work on them.
it's like, I'm done.
Okay, write them on here. Okay, I want you guys to keep reading until I stop my video. So go ahead and use this piece of paper and use your pencil. So you can just make a list here, any that you're having trouble with, and I'll help you in just a few minutes. Okay. Okay, but this is independent, so we're not gonna Sometimes we collaborate with our friends, and sometimes we need to just use our brain.
I covered it.
Okay. Okay. So you have one more question to answer. All right. So let's put that down. Here, we're probably done with those. I'll put those away for you guys. Oh wait, that one's yours, right? Okay, go put that one back in.
This is a 5.
Is there a 5 in the word?
No, these are just numbers, so I know how many, digits. Go
Okay.
back, let's go.
All right, guys. Let's go move back to our own seats. That might help you out. Okay.
And this is the one, I know it looks
Okay. All right. Let's go back to our own seats.
well,
Guys, you can go ahead and finish the last of it there. I'm going to go ahead and cut the video.